Hey homegirls, welcome back to the channel. I am in this season of life where I'm essentially like shedding the old and making room for the new, and my home is honestly no exception. I literally woke up this morning, had no intentions of like filming any type of video at all, because right now at this point I am like on a social media break. As I'm filming this, I just kind of got to a point where I really needed to just take a break from just like always consuming social media. Anyway, I woke up this morning and I was like, girl, you need to declutter your house. Like, you need to get rid of things that you are not using and just clean up the messes that you have in like certain areas of your home. So that's what we're doing, and the bathroom is the target today. I'm going to be organizing this bathroom and just kind of sharing some of my like decluttering tips and things that I do when I essentially like organize just spaces like in any room of the house. Just to let y'all know, 90% of the things in this bathroom are mine. 10% are Dante's. My stuff can just be everywhere. I'm just gonna be real. Like, my stuff can be everywhere. I have a lot of stuff, a lot of products. And I feel like I don't even own a lot of like products like most women that I like do maybe, like, you know what I mean? Like just like a lot of like hair care, makeup. Like, I'm not even like a huge like makeup girly or like a huge like hair care person where I have to have 50 million products. But I have a good bit, you know, I have natural hair, so I have to have a good bit of products to like just kind of have on hand. A lot of stuff need to go though. A lot of stuff is unnecessary. A lot of stuff may be expired, maybe old. Things need to go, okay? Because it's kind of getting out of hand at this point, and it's organized chaos in this bathroom. But like I said, 10% of this bathroom is Dante's, and honestly, I'm not gonna organize his side of the cabinet because he don't need it. Like, he follows the systems that I already put in place, and he don't really have a lot of crap. So we're gonna be organizing my crap today, mainly in this closet that I'm gonna show you guys. It's like a utility closet that I use for all of like my backstock things. We're gonna make this a little series. So it doesn't stop with the bathroom. Like, I really want to essentially like organize every single inch of this house. Declutter, organize all the things, but let's just get right into this bathroom, y'all. Okay, like I said, under the cabinet is not bad at all. It needs an edit, like really bad. I keep essentially like my like quick grab and go everyday products down here. So jewelry, which eventually I want to move this. This needs to be moved to like the closet when we get custom closets. Like, I don't want this under the sink, to be honest, because I do want to grow my jewelry collection. And right now I don't love this setup, but it is what it is. Perfumes, which like I can throw away a couple of these. A couple of these I'm like, girl, get rid of these perfumes. Body care, that definitely needs an edit. As you can see, like, I have the most random things in some of these bins. Hair care, I kind of already organized this a little bit this morning because I spilled one of my like curl puddings in here. So it doesn't need to be wiped out. I didn't wipe it out. I got like my little like combs and brushes in this, and other like random miscellaneous stuff too that just don't belong here. Or like drawers of, you know, stuff that could be in here that is just not occupied. So we're gonna wipe this down and just get to decluttering. Okay, I think I just need to take everything out and just kind of see what I have and categorize it that way. That is the biggest tip to just decluttering and organizing in general, because if you don't do that, you don't know what you have. It's kind of like checking inventory of like what you have and then essentially figuring out how to place it in your like space. So I am going to just take everything out of these containers, see what I have, get rid of like old things or just like products that I know I'm not gonna use. Like, we have to be real with ourselves sometimes. There are some products that have been like sitting down here for years that I have not used, and I probably will never use. So it's just taking up space. You can give them away if it's not old, or you can just like throw it away and get rid of it. I hate to be wasteful, but at the same time, it's just kind of like, probably gotta stop buying some of these things as well too, to not just be wasteful in the end. But anyway, I'm going to just proceed like with taking everything out of these clear containers, categorizing everything, and then editing the products from there and getting rid of things that I know I'm just not gonna use. Okay, everything is pretty like categorized for the most part. I just need to wash these bins. They are extremely dirty. So this decluttering was definitely well needed. But I'm gonna go downstairs and wash these bins off really good in like the kitchen sink because I feel like I can really get it good there. Okay, we're moving on to the closet now. The amount of just like random stuff in here is crazy. Like I said, all this stuff is mine. I'm just gonna take out like one bin at a time and just really like take out everything, organize it kind of how I did for under the cabinet. Just kind of categorize it, organize it, take it out, clean it out, and just do that like one bin at a time so I don't get overwhelmed. That is like the biggest key, the biggest tip that I can give to anyone who is like decluttering like a bathroom or just have a lot of products. One container, one bin, one shelf, just one at a time, and you'll kind of see how everything just comes together once you do it bit by bit. Okay, everything in the bathroom is decluttered. I actually like off camera looked in the drawers and I forgot that I like not too long ago kind of like decluttered the drawers. So the drawers are good, didn't have to do those, but y'all, that took me a little hot minute to just do like this closet and under my sink. Like I said, I had a lot of unnecessary stuff that like I just need to get rid of, like just clear out, wipe down stuff that was just really honestly disgusting and filled with like a lot of like oils and like products I use. But I feel so much better and this is gonna be fun. This is gonna be a fun journey to go through this house and really just get rid of things and just get it all like together. But I hope you guys enjoyed episode 1 of this entire series. I will see you guys in the next episode. Bye.